Hi, welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen, and I'm Terry. Today we're going to make a freezer-friendly pizza sauce as part of the C&C Farms collaboration, #FreezerMeals23. Now let's get started with today's recipe. I'm going to show you how to make a freezer-friendly pizza sauce that requires no cooking and only a handful of ingredients. This sauce is perfect for making homemade pizzas anytime you want, or using as a dip for breadsticks. Combine all of the ingredients in the bowl of a food processor or a blender, and we're going to pulse them together until well combined. We need 28 ounces of canned crushed tomatoes. We need 2 garlic cloves. You can use fresh, grated, pressed, or even refrigerated minced. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of dried oregano, or a tablespoon of Italian seasoning like we've made before, and I'll put a link so that you can go to that if you'd like. And that's it. No cooking. You just blend everything together in the blender or food processor until it's well combined, and it's ready to go. This makes 3 cups of sauce. I divide it into 1 cup portions, which I think is about right for 1 pizza. And I place them in a freezer or vacuum sealed bag and freeze it flat for quicker thawing. And when you're ready to use it, just place it in the refrigerator overnight to thaw. Or if you want to use it right away, cover it and put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours so that the flavors can meld. Or you can store it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks. Now this is how the pros make pizza sauce, with no cooking required. That way you don't lose that vibrant tomato flavor. And there you have it, a delicious homemade pizza sauce that's quick, easy, and freezer friendly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one. Until then, have fun in the kitchen.